Let's find grasshopper. Look, I found this brown grasshopper on the floor near a wall. This grasshopper walks step by step very slowly. Its eye has an ability also could catch the movement, but it couldn't see clearly. Young grasshopper can fly until 1.6 km per day. If it has complete wings, grasshopper can fly around 50 km per day. They will migrate to get their foods. When I want to touch it, the grasshopper jumps very fast, and with its hind leg, grasshopper jump again. Hey, look, there is a unique grasshopper on the leaf. The main color is brown, but it has some green too. Grasshopper lives by eating some kind of leaves. Grasshopper has to collect vacation based on its antenna. Grasshopper with a short antenna and a long antenna. I think this grasshopper has a long antenna. Let's look closer to see the detail. Grasshopper has two eyes. It has 6 legs. The hind legs are bigger than others and it looks very strong. This leg has a black and brown color forming a line. This morning, I see this unique grasshopper is walking on the wall, and then it's jumped into my hand. When you want to hold it, you should treat it delicately. Don't intimidate this grasshopper so that this bug feel comfortable with you and wouldn't jump into another place. Look, the motif of its body and leg are so interesting to see. Let's check the anatomy of this bug, especially in the backside of its body. We have to treat and hold this grasshopper with delicately, and you won't hurt its body. And do you know this grasshopper can make sound? Yeah, grasshopper will scratch a backside of its feet and cross into a front side of its wings with a very solid state. Every species has a different and specific sound. Now let's put this grasshopper back into its habitat. I put this animal in the yellow bamboo and I hope this grasshopper will like the place. This grasshopper look like a quiet bug with a slow movement, but the fact it can move very fast so that the bait cannot escape. Now I will find grasshopper with another color, green grasshopper. Let's find it. When the wind blows so hard, this green grasshopper is still on the leaves. After the wind passing by, the grasshopper jumped into another tree. And when I tried to catch the picture with my mobile phone's camera, and I tried to get closer, this green grasshopper always moved to avoid it. Then I changed my position. This grasshopper has a green color in all of its body and legs. Its eyes are white, and with its leg, grasshopper hold the tree. Then I put it on my hand. The grasshopper moved slowly, but we couldn't predict if grasshopper will jump or not, because when grasshopper jump, it jump very fast. Can you guess this bug? Oh yes, this is Mantis religiosa. Or in Indonesia, we call it as belalang sembah. Why? Because the front side of its leg look like respectful greeting position. So the animal is ready to attack the bait. This belalang sembah in my hand is very unique. Mostly grasshopper color are green like the colors of grass or leaves. So it's easy to hide between the leaves and grass when spying the bait. Let's see the belalang sembah walk. It is faster than other grasshopper that we find before. This animal like a silent condition too, because to get the bait, belalang sembah should be patient for waiting the bait come. When the bait getting closer, belalang sembah will catch it immediately. Sometimes belalang sembah eat their own species like cannibal. It's very nice to watch this unique belalang sembah. I also find a poor grasshopper which is trapped on the hole. I try to save this animal and the grasshopper jumped to feel its freedom. And then I hold this grasshopper. This grasshopper has an orange color in the wall of its body and its eye color are purple. It's a beautiful animal, isn't it? I will put it on its habitat, but this grasshopper jumped to choose its favorite place. Look, this grasshopper jumped, and this bug is creeping so fast. Grasshopper is herbivorous animals from an ordo Orthoptera and subordo Coleoptera. This is a yellow grasshopper. This grasshopper classified as an ordo Mantodea. And this is another species of grasshopper. It's look like a night rider, isn't it? Grasshopper has a metamorphosis. The process is begin from an egg, then it's changed to molt, and then adult grasshopper. This is from a same species, but the color is a little bit different. The grasshopper has a yellow color. So, if we care and love about our environment, there will be a harmony on Earth.